For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of carrying around a bulky camera while traveling? Do you struggle to capture wide-angle shots on your phone? You're not alone. I was as frustrated as you are until I discovered the Insta360 Go 3S, but here's what surprised me. Despite its small size, this tiny camera packs an incredible punch. But therefore, I had to dig deeper to uncover its secrets. Therefore, in this video, I'll share my honest review of the Insta360 Go 3S and give you the lowdown on whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. One thing that caught my attention was its sleek design. Weighing just 41 grams, this camera is so small it can be attached to a backpack or even a drone. But what about image quality? Can something so tiny really deliver? To answer that question, let's dive into the details of the Insta360 Go 3S. First off, this camera has an incredible wide-angle lens with a whopping 13 focal length. That's like having a GoPro but smaller and more versatile. But don't just take my word for it, here are some key specs that'll blow your mind. Ultra-wide angle, 13. Resolution, up to 48 MP. Field of view, 360 degrees. Operating temperature range, -20 degrees C to +40 degrees C. These features make the Insta360 Go 3S perfect for capturing stunning wide-angle shots, whether you're exploring a new city or hiking in the mountains. Now let's talk about its operation. This camera has two main modes, flow state and video. In flow state mode, it can capture up to 8 seconds of footage without any lag, while video mode allows for longer recordings. But here's the twist, you don't need to worry about battery life or charging because this baby runs on a tiny USB-C cable that connects directly to your phone. You'll be able to shoot 360 degrees videos and photos, edit them in real time using the Insta360 app, and even stream live video straight from the camera. I was blown away by its ease of use. I attached it to my backpack and started exploring the city without worrying about missing a shot. But what really impressed me was its stabilization capabilities. This thing can capture smooth footage like a pro even when you're walking or running. If you're planning a trip or want a versatile camera for everyday life, this is an absolute game changer. I'm so glad I discovered it because now I don't have to carry around bulky cameras or worry about missing a shot. But before you buy the Insta360 Go 3S, let me share some thoughts on its pricing. While it may seem steep at first, consider all the benefits and features this tiny camera offers. In my opinion, the Insta360 Go 3S is worth every penny for anyone who wants to capture stunning wide-angle shots without breaking the bank. So what do you think? Are you ready to revolutionize your photography game with the Insta360 Go 3S? To get the best price on Amazon and make sure it's worth your money, be sure to check out my link in the description. Trust me, you won't regret it.